Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mobile Legends with joy. It's easy to get caught up in the competitive nature of the game, but true enjoyment comes from more than just winning. We'll explore how shifting your perspective can transform your gaming experience. Remember, the goal is to have fun and grow as a player, not just to achieve a perfect win rate. Let's dive into making every match a source of genuine enjoyment. A positive mindset is your most powerful tool. Instead of dwelling on errors, view them as opportunities to improve. For instance, if you miss a skill shot, analyze why and adjust for next time. Focus on your own growth, like landing 3 perfect ultimate abilities in a single match, rather than solely on the team's overall performance. This approach keeps the game enjoyable and less stressful. Mobile Legends is a team game, and effective communication is key to joy. Use quick chat options or pings to coordinate, like signaling a gank or a push on a turret. Instead of blaming, offer constructive suggestions. For example, suggest focusing on the Lord after a successful team fight. Supporting your allies, even when they make errors, fosters a more positive and winning environment for everyone. To truly play with joy, self-care is essential. Don't push yourself through endless matches if you're feeling frustrated. A 10-minute break can make a huge difference. Step away, stretch, or grab a drink. Remember, Mobile Legends should be a source of entertainment, not stress. By managing your play time and taking care of your well-being, you ensure that every session remains a genuinely fun and rewarding experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.